Doesn't matter if you have a 5-ton heat pump or 5-ton air conditioner. If your ductwork is this small, see that? That's about 21 by 21. 21 up and down, 21 across. That's maybe 1400 CFMs on a good day. And for a 5-ton unit, you need closer to 2000. It's close to 2000, a little over, a little less, it's okay. But that's what you need for a 5-ton to work properly. So this is the new one we're putting in. You can see it's 40 by 24, and that's the right size for that 5-ton Goodman heat pump over there. Just wanted to show you that. If you're having airflow issues, this may be one of the reasons why. Okay, so whatever contractor did this, didn't know what they were doing. You know, didn't know what they were doing, or just decided to, you know, be cheap, or decided to be a hack. But these types of things will show up almost immediately. First summer, you know, they're gonna see that the house isn't reaching temperature, there's no airflow, units running, and if you let it go for extended periods of time, it will ruin other parts like blowers, compressors. Mainly the blower and the compressor is what's going to ruin, which neither one of those is cheap. So all right, well, thank you for watching. Share this video with a friend. We'll see you on the next one.